All of you join your hands. Close your eyes. Aishwel, you're feeling sleepy? Join your hands. Our Father in heaven, holy be your name. Your kingdom come, your will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us today our daily bread and forgive us our sins as we forgive those who sin against us. Do not bring us to the test, but deliver us from evil. Amen. A very good morning to all of you children. Welcome to your social studies class. We were doing the lesson.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. We were doing the lesson, our festivals. Yesterday I had told you to give
Good
the
morning,
lesson a
ma'am.
good reading. Good morning. I had asked you to read the lesson very well because I'm going to ask you questions. I'm going to make you read it in class. I hope you have done it, all of you. Give me a thumbs up. All of you did it? Okay, fine, good. So let me see how many of you have done the reading. I'm going to ask you some questions. Vani?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
मैं भूल गई थी रीडिंग करना.
Okay, Bhavika. Now you pay attention in class, okay? And please read it today. Right? Okay.
मैं भी भूल गई रीडिंग करना.
Now
मैम रीडिंग करी थी.
all those who did not read the lesson yesterday, today you will
मैम
do
मैंने
it.
रीडिंग करी थी.
You will do it today. Okay, fine. Now,
मैं भी रीडिंग करना भूल गई थी.
okay, कोई बात नहीं. आज हम लोग सब रीडिंग करेंगे. अभी आई एम जस्ट रिवाइजिंग द लेसन वंस विद यू.
रीडिंग करना भूल गई थी. मैं भी रीडिंग करना. एक्सक्यूज मी, मैंने रीड किया था.
Okay, fine. Those who read, very good. Those who forgot, no problem. Make sure you read it today. Now, all of you mute yourselves.
मैंने भी किया था.
All of you mute yourselves. Fold your hands. Sit back straight, all of you.
मैंने कर लिया था.
Okay. Fold your hands. Sit back straight. I'll just revise the lesson quickly with you. We were doing the lesson our festivals, and I told you there are different types of festivals that are celebrated in our country. There are different religions that celebrate different festivals, and they are known as religious festivals that are celebrated by the people of different religions. Then we have national festivals which are celebrated by everybody in our country. All the Indians who are all the people who are citizens of India, we all celebrate the national festivals. Then there were some other festivals like Children's Day and Teachers' Day. Now the religious festivals, I told you the different religions celebrate. For example, the Hindus celebrate Diwali, Holi, then you have Durga Puja, Onam, Pongal, all these festivals. Then you have Christmas, which is celebrated by the Christians. They go to church, they decorate Christmas tree in their house. Then we believe that Santa Claus comes and gives gifts to the children. Then the Guru Parv, which is celebrated by the Sikhs. They go to the Gurudwara and offer prayers over there. They eat food from the common kitchen, that is called the langar. Then we studied about Eid. Eid is celebrated by the Muslims and it is celebrated after the month of Ramzan. They go to the mosque to offer prayers. A special dish called Sevai is cooked on Eid. People wish each other Eid Mubarak. Then in the zone of assessment we did the festival of Dashera. I told you on Dashera the effigies of Ravan, Meghnad, Kumkaran, they are all burnt. People burn the effigies of all these people. And then we came to the national festivals. National festivals, Independence Day, that is 15th August, the day India got freedom from the British rule. 26th January, Republic Day, the day our constitution came into force. That day India became republic. हम लोग को अपना constitution मिला था, अपने rules and regulations मिले थे. That day a parade is taken out in the various places, even in Delhi and even in your own Lucknow there's a parade. on 26th January. Most of you must be going to see that. Then the next festival was Gandhi Jayanti. It is the birthday of our father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi. 2nd October. It is celebrated on 2nd October. Then the other festivals that we studied about were Teachers' Day and Children's Day. Teachers' Day, I told you, is celebrated on the 5th of September. We respect our President, Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, who was a very learned man. He was a teacher, and to honor him, this day has been marked as Teachers' Day. Then Children's Day, which is for you children, for you to enjoy, that is 14 November. It is the birthday of our first Prime Minister, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, and he was very fond of children. So that is why we celebrate Children's Day on his birthday. Now this is all that we studied in this lesson. Now make sure today you read the lesson very well, children. Now on page number 49, open your books to page 49. And we have over there word bank, the pink color rectangular box, word bank. We are going to read the words over there. Festival, which means time of fun and celebration. Diwali, festival of lights. Holi, festival of colors. National festivals, festivals celebrated by the entire nation. The whole country celebrates these national festivals. Now put over there learn in that box, in that pink box. Put there learn, L-E-A-R-N. Mustafa, you finished? Okay, fine. Good. Next, keep in mind. There's a box over there which says keep in mind. Festivals are a source of fun and joy. Festival time पे हम लोग बहुत enjoy करते हैं. We have a lot of fun. People of different religions celebrate different festivals, and they are known as your religious festivals. Remember, different religions celebrate different festivals. इनको हम religious festivals बोलते हैं. Now turn the page and come to page number 5050. Come to page number 5050. Exercise A. It says try these. Tick the correct answer from the options given. Tick the correct answer from the options given. The first one. Bhavika, the first one I am reading. Pay attention and you will answer. Eid Guru Parv is celebrated by the Muslims. Eid या फिर Guru Parv is celebrated by the Muslims. Muslims कौन सा फेस्टिवल सेलिब्रेट करते हैं, ईद या गुरु पर्व? भाविका? Eid. Okay, good. Put a tick on Eid, children. Sayansh, the next one. Children's Day or Teachers' Day is celebrated on 14th November. ध्यान से सुनो सायांश, 14th November को हम लोग कौन सा फेस्टिवल मनाते हैं, चिल्ड्रंस डे या टीचर्स डे?
Teachers Day.
सायांश has to answer.
Children's Day, ma'am.
Okay, Children's Day. Put a tick on Children's Day, children. Okay, Abdul, the next one. We celebrate Gandhi Jayanti or Independence Day on 2nd October. 2nd October को हम कौन सा फेस्टिवल सेलिब्रेट करते हैं, गांधी जयंती और इंडिपेंडेंस डे?
Gandhi Jayanti. Ma'am, Gandhi Jayanti.
Gandhi Jayanti. Okay, good. Put a tick on that. Shiv, now you will answer. Switch on your mic, Shiv. अब आप आंसर करेंगे. दूसरों की टर्न पे आपको आंसर नहीं करना है, मैंने पहले भी आपको बताया है. Now the next one. Diwali or Christmas is the festival of the Christians. Diwali or Christmas. Which is the festival of the Christians? Christmas. Okay.
Christmas.
Put a tick on Christmas, children. Arav, the next one.
दिवाली में क्या होगा? Yes, ma'am.
Just a second, Arav. Yes, Bhavika.
मैम सी और डी वाले में क्या होगा?
सी में ध्यान से सुनो, मैंने बोला वी सेलिब्रेट गांधी जयंती और इंडिपेंडेंस डे ऑन 2 अक्टूबर। 2 अक्टूबर को हम किसका बर्थडे सेलिब्रेट करते हैं? हम लोग कौन गांधी जयंती। सो पुट अ टिक ऑन गांधी जयंती। एंड डी, दिवाली or Christmas is the festival of the Christians. Christians celebrate which festival? Diwali or Christmas? Bhavika?
Christmas.
Okay, put a tick on Christmas then. Back to you, Arav. The last one. Ashera or Eid is celebrated after the month of Ramzan. Arav? Eid. Okay, good. Put a tick on Eid, children. Welcome. Now put over there learn. L-E-A-R-N, learn. Put learn over there. L-E-A-R-N.
मैम कहाँ पे learn लिखना है?
Exercise A. Exercise A. Now exercise B, question and answers, I will be sending you in the group, then you can do it in your copy.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
मैम 49 पेज नंबर कीप इन माइंड में लर्न लिखना है।
49 page पे keep in mind. No, you just have to keep in mind. You have to just remember that. You can read it and remember. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
All right. Now moving on to exercise C. Match the following. Match the following. Now you remember how we have to do match the following? You have to draw two lines in between column 1 and column 2. Use your scale to draw the line in the center. Draw two lines, standing lines, Vani. Draw two standing lines in between column 1 and column 2. Exercise C. You have done it? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now I'm going to read column 1 first and then I'll read column 2. Column 1, Christmas, Gandhi Jayanti, Independence Day, Children's Day, Teachers Day. Once again, number 1, Christmas. Number 2, Gandhi Jayanti. Number 3, Independence Day. Number 4, Children's Day. Number 5, Teachers Day. Now I am reading column 2. Put your finger there. Column 2, all of you. 2nd October. A, 2nd October. B, 14th November. C, 15th August. D, 5th September. E, 25th December. Once again I am reading. Pay attention. A, 2nd October. B, 14th November. C, 15th August. D, 5th September. And E, 25th December. Now all of you pay attention. The first column 1, number 1, Christmas. Parth, we will match Christmas with which sentence in column 2?
25 December.
25 December.
25 December.
Okay, fine. So over there you put number 1. E के सामने number 1 लिखेंगे. E के सामने number 1 लिखेंगे. All of you right? Done it? Then give me a thumbs up. Okay, good.
मैम
Yes, Ashika.
बता दीजिए
Ashika.
फर्स्ट.
Number 1, Christmas we will match with E. So E के सामने सेंटर में जो 2 लाइंस डबल लाइंस आपने ड्रॉ करी है उसके बीच में लिखिए नंबर 1.
मैम 1 के सामने ई लिख देंगे गलत हो जाएगा.
1 के सामने E आप नहीं लिखेंगे, आप E के सामने 1 लिखेंगे बिकॉज वी मैच फ्रॉम लेफ्ट टू राइट. जब हम सेंटेंस रीड करते हैं बुक में हम लेफ्ट टू राइट रीड करते हैं, राइट टू लेफ्ट रीडिंग नहीं करते बेटे हम.
Oh, thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Now, number 2, Gandhi Jayanti. Number 2, Gandhi Jayanti. Arjun?
Yes, ma'am.
Number 2, Gandhi Jayanti. We will match with which alphabet in column 2?
2 October.
Okay, वहां पर ND लिखा है 2 के बाद. 2nd October. Remember?
Second.
मैथ्स में हमने नंबर्स करे थे ना, कार्डिनल ऑर्डिनल नंबर्स.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So you put over there number 2. Put over there number 2 in front of A. Put number 2 children in front of A. Next, Roshni. Number.
Student, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Hi, sir. Ma'am, ma'am,
Okay, number 3, Roshni. Independence Day. We will match with which alphabet now? Roshni.
Ma'am, 5th August.
Independence Day 15th August.
15 August.
Yes, उसको ध्यान से देखिए, वहां पर लिखा है 15th August. So put number 3
15th
there.
August.
Okay, put number 3 there, children.
Yes,
Children, put number 3.
बोला जाता है ना उसको बेटा.
Roshni, you can mute yourself. Number 4, Children's Day. Ashwika, Children's Day. We will match with which alphabet over here?
Ma'am, D.
14th November. Children's Day 14th November. So put over there number 4. Next, Satakshi, the last one, Teachers Day.
Ma'am, 5 September.
Now children, you have to be very careful. हम लोग ने मैथ्स में कार्डिनल नंबर्स ऑर्डिनल नंबर्स करे हैं ना, so you have to remember everything. यहाँ पर लिखा है 5, उसके बाद TH, so we will read it as 5th, right Satakshi? 5th September. So put over there number 5, children. Put number 5 and also put learn against that exercise.
I have done.
All right. Now down below we have some nice pictures. We have some nice pictures. Now listen carefully. I'm going to tell you about these pictures. The first picture, you can see some ladies are dancing and enjoying. Now that is showing you a picture of the festival which is known as Bihu. B-I-H-U. B-I-H-U. Right over there, B-I-H-U. B-I-H-U. Now this festival is When you finish, give me a thumbs up.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
इससे पहले ग्रीन बॉक्स में कुछ लिखा हुआ है.
Okay. Have you written BIHU? Give me a thumbs up. All right. Now over there in the green box it says HOTS. We left out that, children. Just go back to that. Why should we not burst firecrackers on Diwali? दिवाली में हमें पटाखे क्यों नहीं जलाने चाहिए? Yes, Bhavika, you tell me.
मैं क्योंकि उससे एयर पॉल्यूशन होता है.
एयर पोल्यूशन होता है. वेरी गुड. और क्या? हानिया, हानिया, व्हाट एल्स? एयर पोल्यूशन होता है. एंड व्हाट एल्स? बहुत पटाखे जलाते हैं सब तरफ. देन देयर इज आल्सो लॉट ऑफ नॉइज पोल्यूशन. बहुत आवाजें आती हैं, बहुत साउंड्स होती हैं. दैट इज आल्सो नॉट गुड. So we should stay away from firecrackers. We should not burn firecrackers. Right? Okay. Now coming back to the festivals again. Those pictures down below. First picture is Bihu. I told you. It is a festival, children, which is celebrated in Assam in the month of April normally. And people enjoy over there. They celebrate. Then the next festival, you have picture over there of a Rangoli, and there are some ladies sitting around. That is the festival of Onam. O-N-A-M. 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 Right over there. Now Vikhyat, you will tell me which is the next festival over there.
मैम इसको कहाँ लिखना है?
पेज नंबर 50.
मैम
पेज नंबर 50 पर सबसे नीचे जो पिक्चर्स बनी है, सेकेंड पिक्चर पर ONAM, ओनम लिखना है.
ओके मैम.
ओके. विख्यात, विच इज द नेक्स्ट पिक्चर? कौन सा फेस्टिवल सेलिब्रेट हो रहा है नेक्स्ट पिक्चर में?
मैम रक्षाबंधन.
ओके, वेरी गुड. ऑल राइट.
थैंक यू मैम.
वेलकम. नेक्स्ट, आरव, which festival is being celebrated in the last picture? Arav, in the last picture, which festival is being celebrated? Arav cannot hear me. Okay.
दुर्गा पूजा. मैम सेकंड वाला कौन सा?
Okay, Durga Puja is being celebrated in the last picture. Alia, second picture is Onam. Second picture is Onam.
Excuse me मैम, ओनम क्या होता है?
Onam is a festival. Now listen carefully, all of you. Onam is a festival that is celebrated in Kerala. हमने आप लोगों को जब लेसन पढ़ाया था तब बताया था that people.
Excuse me मैम.
Yes, Vani.
मैम जो ये राखी है उस पे क्या लिखना है?
रक्षाबंधन और
बनी है, उन पे फेस्टिवल्स के नेम लिखने हैं.
राखी है रक्षाबंधन.
रक्षाबंधन you will write. Children, write over there Rakshabandhan. RAKSHA. Yes.
मैम एक बार फिर से रिपीट कर दीजिए. कौन सा क्या है जो सब लोग डमरू बजा रहे हैं, लीडर्स ना वो डांसिंग कर रही है, वो पिक्चर क्या है?
Bihu, BIHU.
एक्सक्यूज मी मैम, उनकी फिर से स्पेलिंग बोल दीजिए प्लीज. रक्षा फिर से बोल दीजिए.
RAKSHA.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. And the last picture is Durga Puja.
Ma'am, are you kids?
Rakasha.
मैम रक्षाबंधन की स्पेलिंग फिर से रिपीट कर दीजिए।
Rakasha. Raksha. Bandhan. Bandhan. Now children, page number 51, you have an activity where you have to color the picture. Put HW over there, all of you. Put HW.
मैम
Yes.
वो वाली एक्टिविटी तो नहीं मैम।
Children, one at a time. I cannot see you all. One at a time. Yes, Aishwita.
मैम जो आपने एक्टिविटी अभी करने को कही है वो मैंने कर ली थी।
Okay, fine. Those who have not done, you can do it. Children, page number 51, you have to color the picture there. Yes, ma'am. Now listen very carefully. आज आप social studies में social studies का lesson बहुत अच्छे से read करेंगे. This full lesson you have to read it very well, children. All right. With that, we finish with your social studies class. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.